Dear learners, I am Ahmed Noman SADIQ, and today I would like to draw an important topographical exam route. So let's start drawing this route. Please note that this whole screen is called as topographical interactive screen, and here is the question window of the screen on which the question, which is topographical exam question, is always written on this portion of topographical interactive screen. This is start drawing button. Here is undo button. This is clear button. Here is brightness button, and this one is called as home button. And this is a very small screen. You could jump to any number of question by just pressing the number of question number. You can press to any number of question and jump and reach to that question. And if you want to move or jump to the next question, you need to press here on next question button. And if you want to move back or want to go back to the previous question, you need to press over this previous question button. And if you are interested to review your whole of assessment, you need to press this button here. And if you are interested in further detail and functionality of this whole topographical interactive screen and its various components, you could go to my channel Noman SADIQ, Noman Noman space SADIQ, and search for the topographical exam screen. So first of all, you need to read the question in a question window of this whole screen. And please remember to read the question always, because usually in one of the four questions there is a note of road closures about which I have explained in my other videos involving road closure questions. Now the next step is to press this start drawing button. When you will press this start drawing button, the same button will become stop drawing button, and it is always recommended to press this stop drawing button when you finish drawing your route. Now let's do it. I will press this start drawing button, and the same button has now become stop drawing button. And now I would like to draw the route from this green marker to the red marker. And I will show you only the real part, actual part of topographical interactive screen. So I will show you only this portion now, so that you could understand it in a better way. So here you go. So this is our start point, and here is our end point. Start point is always a green marker and end point is always a red marker, and you always need to draw your route from green to red marker. But if you draw your route from red to green marker, you will be getting 0 marks. So please be careful in this regard. Now the first step to draw this route is planning. So plan your route from green to red marker. You have to plan in such a way that you must draw your route in such a way that it should be the most direct route between green and red marker. What does it mean? It simply means the distance between green and red marker must be the shortest, the minimum. Remember, you can take any route, but your route must be almost the most direct route. You can come from here, you can come from the other way as well. But try your level best to draw your route like the most direct route. Now I have already planned my route. I will go from here, then I will come on this A5 road and I will come underneath this flyover, and then here, then I will reach here, and ultimately I would be able to reach at red marker. So this is my general planning, but now I have to divide my planning into steps. The reason behind is I have to zoom in my screen, because if I draw my route without zooming in, there are great chances of mistakes. Also, there are chances to perform any illegal maneuver. And as a result of any single illegal maneuver, you will be getting 0 marks. Now I will let you know how it works. So first I will plan my route up till this point. So I will draw up till here. Then I will come up till this point, then here, and then here. What does it mean? It simply means first I will come here. Suppose I am coming here, and then I will zoom in like this. So forget about the remaining portion of the interactive screen. Just make it bigger and draw the route up till this point now. And please remember, if it is street, make it maximum bigger. But if it is A road, B road or motorway, then this zoom in up till this limit is enough. So I am starting from the small streets, so I am making it maximum bigger. So I will start from this point at the bottom at the tip of this green marker. And then I need to keep myself towards the left hand side of the road like this. Now I am merging on the main road, which is B road. So I am actually going and drawing my route on the B road here like this. And I need be careful, your route must be on the left hand side of the road like this. This is your left hand side if you are moving in this direction. Now my planning is from here I will come to this A road. So from B to A road. But when I will reach here, I will see this area. So always remember, this is a restricted area. You will not be able to go through. If you pass this, if you pass your route through this area, you will be getting 0 marks. So always remember, if it is pink area or pink color, or if it is this gray color, you are not allowed to go through. This might be the bus lane. So this is a designated area for the buses. So you would not be able to go through. So always remember this point. So what I need to do then? How can I reach here? So there might be several possibilities. I could go here, and when I will reach here, some people, what they do, they try to come like this, and from here they go like this. If you go like this, you will be getting 0 marks, because this portion of the road is only for incoming traffic. You would not be able to go through. So if you do like this, you will be getting 0 marks. So I am deleting this. The next possibility could be, you could go here and then you can come like this, and then you can join this A5 road and come here. But that will be very long route. You need to draw a route which should be the most direct and smallest route. So there might be other possibilities. So I can come from here and then join this road, or I can come from here and join this A5 road. So I am doing a little bit undo, and then I will be coming from here. So I will come here, directly here, and I am keeping my route towards the left hand side of the road, and now I have joined this A5 road. So up till this point, now I have drawn my route. So the next point is to reach here until this flyover. So it is written very clearly that this is a flyover, and you could go underneath this flyover. So some people, what they do, they come here and they try to go in this direction, and then they come. So don't go like this. It will be the longer route. So you need to pass this flyover underneath. So it's no problem at all. So here this is a one way, but you can cross this. The only thing in one way is you cannot go in opposite direction. So I will go like this, no problem at all. Now I will again move the screen up and draw my route like this. Now here is a flyover. So if I go like this, it's not a problem. It's not crossing these. Actually, it is not crossing these lines. Actually, we are going underneath, and here it is a flyover which is at the top. So don't worry at all. Now again, my next planning is to reach here. So if you have lost your end point, so you can zoom out again and see where the end point is. So I will come here, then I will come here, then here, and ultimately I would be able to reach here. So now I am continuing my journey like this. Here I will go like this, here. Don't forget to keep your route at the left hand side of the road, all the roads which you are using. So here it's one way. I can't go in this direction. I have to move along the arrow side. So I will go like this, and then again, if it is one way, you can keep in the middle, but it is recommended that always if you keep your route towards the left hand side of the road. The reason behind, one way you can keep in the middle of the road up till this point where the arrow is ending. But what the people do when they are coming in the middle, at this point they keep their route at the middle as well, which is wrong. So it's recommended to keep your route always towards the left hand side of the road. So there is no problem in that case. So here again I am here and I will continue my route like this, like this, like this, here and here you go. Again, where is my endpoint? Here is my endpoint. I will go through this road and I will reach here at this point. Now again, I will zoom in and I will go like this and I will keep my route like this at the top of these words so that my distance from the curve should remain almost constant. So if the distance from the curve will remain constant, it means your route is symmetrically better. So here you go, you are going like this. Again, I will zoom out and see where the endpoint is. So again, I have seen this is the endpoint. So I will come through this road. It means when I will reach here, I will go like this, no problem. I will come like this, here, here, here. And if the road is curved, don't make longer jumps. Again, I'm coming like this, here, here. This is not a problem. This is one way. You can cross this one way. No problem at all. Because the only thing you cannot do is you cannot go in opposite direction. So now here there are two possibilities. Either you can come here and then come here, here. Because if you come here, you cannot come directly here. Because this is one way. You need to come on this road and then here and then here. Also, you could come from here, then you can take this road and then here, then here. So any of these roads you can go. But I will take this route like this, here, here, here. And again, I am taking the left side. Even this is one way. No problem at all. So here, here again, I will go like this. And ultimately, I will be able to reach and touch the last point, the end point, the destination, which is actually the red marker. Now I have drawn my full route. So this is the most direct route between green and red marker. Now other possibilities, what could be the other possibilities? You could come from here and then you can come from here, or you can take this route and ultimately you can come here and from here you can directly go again underneath. So this is also possible, but try to do the direct and straightforward route. Don't go and involve yourself in a complicated roads. So if you involve, there might be the mistakes. So there are great chances of mistakes and doing illegal maneuvers if you go into the complicated area. So try to avoid the complicated areas. And always remember one more tip, that if you are not sure about one route which seems to be the most direct, but you are not sure, then don't go to that route. Adopt the route about which you are 100% sure, even that is the longer one. Because even if that is the longer one, you could lose few marks. But if you are not sure and you take the shortest route, you could be getting 0 marks in that case. So now I have completed this route. The next step is to press stop drawing button. Now I am going to press this stop drawing button. I have pressed this stop drawing button and the same button now has become again start drawing button. Although it is not necessary to press stop drawing button, you can directly go to the next question. No problem, it will be saved, but it is recommended. See here, repeat until the route is complete and click at the stop drawing to finish. So it is recommended in the question to stop drawing, to press the stop drawing button. Now again, if there is a problem in your route and you want to change your route, you again need to press start drawing button and you can change your route as well. And that's the end of today's presentation. Thank you very much.